Alright guys, can we start customizing our site so that to give us a better look that will present our brand? So now let's go back to our dashboard. You can see a lot of changes to our dashboard. You can see WooCommerce. This is what is responsible for everything that has to do with e-commerce on your site. This will be adding products. This will be seeing analytics of products. This is the marketing overview. If you want to set coupons, and this is the Elementor, the page builder we installed, and this is the template you have, and a lot of that stuff. So now let's go to customize. Click on customize, then it will take you to your page. So this is it. Look at what we are going to do. You can see this global. You click on global. This has to do with the entire website. This has to do with the text. You can see base, the typography, this is the font. You can select the font you want to use according to your brand. And mind you, for every customization you are doing, make sure you make use of this. Should I say, I can't really recall the name. Okay, this has to give you a preview of your site. It will give you site preview on mobile. You can see this is how your site will look like on mobile phone. So as you are editing, make sure you be checking this so that you don't have to design what will look different on another site. So now this is it. You can select a font you want to use, or you can leave this default font. So once you are done, all you need to do is to click changes as soon as you are done with anything or publish. Then headings. You can see heading. You can see the font that was used on the heading. You can change as per choice. Remember to check and make the publishing as well. So that is it. So once you are done, you click go back, and this is the entire color of the site. You can see the colors that are here. You can change this color to any color you want. It's a color code. You can copy them and drop anywhere. So you can see if I decide to use this, look at what is happening on my site. Let's see what is happening. I think there is no change yet. Okay, that is for link. That's for link on the site. So let's see drop code. Let's go with the theme color and see what comes up. Let me click red and see what our site will look like. You can see that button has changed on the site. So that is how this goes. So you maintain the initial color. If you don't want to change it, you allow it. Once you are done, you click on publish. So I think my network is on. So once you are done, click publish. It has been published. So you can go back. You can decide to add a background to a background color image to your site. That is when you need to upload. So you select background by uploading, or you select from the medias. So if I'm to upload, I'll click select files. I'll go to my site or to my document where I already have pictures I want to use for my designs. And I'll just place. This is what I want to use. I'll just click on it and I will upload. You can see it's loading. Why will this occur? I don't know why my network is really frustrating me. Let's do it again. Okay, let me use this. Upload. So if you don't have images to use, you can go to Pixabay or pixel.com or pixabay.com to download premium pictures free. So you can see, I'll click on load. can see what just happened to our site. We already have a background image loaded on our site. So that is how this is being done. You can remove it. Once you can set the retina, my show is retina. I'm trying to recall. So once you are done, you click on publish. Everything you are doing, you are publishing. This is container. You can leave it at the default. This is buttons. These are your button color. You can add any color to any button, shape them according to your text. So once you are done, remember to publish. And let's go back. Header builder. This header builder, as you can see, these are primary menu, these are site logo, these are cat, and these are toggle button. This is all we need. This is everything about the header. You can see. You can just use this element like Elementor editor. You can click and you'll be able to edit them. But here, if you look down, there's a possibility that you can do them from here. You can click on site title. You can see change logo. Click and you import your own brand logo. Import your logo. If this is the logo I want to use, I'll click it and import. Sure. I think the image is much. Let me assume I have logos here. So let me use this. Since it's a pre-made one. So you give it to load. What's wrong? Okay, so that is it about the logo. You can different logo for Retina devices. If you select this, you are going to select a different logo for your Retina devices. So you can see this is how you want to size your logo. If I increase the size of the logo, let's look at what happens to our site. Let's change it to this view and see. Okay, I think there is no logo, so it's trying to give us what's wrong. Use this and see what. Oh, this is not a logo. This is not a logo, so you can see. If this is a logo, just keep cropping. You can see we are trying to use this to see how it goes. You can see it. Look at the appearance. Look at the appearance. Look at how the image is bold. So what do you do in such a scenario? You can see this is the size of our logo. You can see. So if you move to this very one, you can see it is large, so you reduce it. So as you are doing, make sure you publish. You can see, go to the mobile version and use it as well. You can use same size, or you can see the view is different. So once you are done with that, you click on save or publish rather. Click on publish and you go back to the toggle button. You can edit, you can change it, this way. You can see, change it. Let's see how it looks. You can see the button there. You can see the difference on this Retina, on these other devices. So that is it about this button. You can change it to this one. You can see. Once you are done, publish. That is the essence. Then this cat, you can see display cat total. If you want a summary, like if someone clicks and want to purchase your product, it will show up here the number of products. But if you click this display cart total, the person will know the total amount he or she has selected. So once this is for e-commerce, then once you are done, you publish. The essence of publishing is very, very essential. So primary menu, you can see these are the adjustments you can do to the menu, and lot of things. You can see after that, this is design. You can see design. This is where you can do lot of customizations, of which we'll be doing that when we are setting and when we're working on a live site that will be from scratch to finishing. So that is it. Let's still work on this and see what happens. And see design. I think that's all. So publish, then you go back to, you can see this one. There is nothing here for you to do. This blog, you can edit your blog, archive, single post, or whatever. Sidebar, this sidebar, you can see there is no sidebar. If I put right sidebar now, you see what will happen to this very, it has given a space. So if I select any post or whatever to be done on the sidebar, you discover that it will appear by the right hand side here. If it is a post I want, this is a pages I want, this pages I want, this is what will appear. If it is a blog post I want, this is what will appear. That is also the essence of this sidebar. So once you are done, remember to publish. Or whatever you don't want to insert, don't stress yourself. This folder is more of the down part of your site. You can see this copyright. You can see what we have here is the color of the text. This is the main work copy. Okay. So you can see, you can edit it. Click to edit. Click to edit. Why is it not click? What's wrong? Okay, you can see it's showing shop. I forgot, I didn't check about this. So you can see the social media icons. You can decide to remove the ones you don't know. You can see, just remove them. You can click on them, then put your link. This is where the link is. Put your Facebook link, put your Instagram link, put your Instagram link, Twitter link, so that once people click on this icon on your site, they will get to your website, your social media account. So that is the essence of this. You can see this other widget. You can see this one. You can decide to remove whatever you are not using. So for this, I'm not creating a mobile version for the site, so I will just want to remove all these elements. So you can see, let me try it and see what happens. See, something just went off. See, something just went off. So I will just make this because it is my logo. I can decide to take this here, and you see it's at the center of my page. So I can decide to add a widget here. You can see the widget has been added. I'll take it to the center. You can see this another widget. If you want to add more, that is just the essence of this widget. Don't stress yourself with all this. So that is it. Once you are done, you click on publish. Remember to check the view on each of these devices. You can see this is how it's going to look like. I can decide to remove this and this logo will be taken off. You can see. So once you are done, you click publish. You go back. You can say I have just 2 icons. So performance, you leave it. WooCommerce, you don't touch anything. You need to deal with that. Site identity. If you look to the website, if you look at this URL, you can see W, which is for WordPress. So we are going to change it to our site icon. So you can see, look at site icon, click on site icon, and select the icon you want to use. So imagine this one we still want to use. I'll click and I'll copy, done. My network. Okay, if this is the icon we're using, you can see this is the sign. This is where you'll be seeing it at this top here. So let's click skip crop thing. You can see our icon has changed. Let's refresh our website to see what happens here. You can see this one is Google is G. You can see this is WordPress. Okay, we need to publish. So you can see this how it will be viewed on your, so to publish. As soon as you publish, you can refresh your website to see. So make sure you are working alongside, you are seeing what you are doing, so that you don't create something today and your clients decide to check your website and they are seeing something different. You can see the icon has changed entirely. So that is it about this site identity. Then this menus, this is where you want to customize your menus. You can click on these menus and you select the menus you want them to appear on this particular, yes, if you click on this, these are the menus. So we'll still be doing that from the back end because we have menus here. So now, how do you set menus? Look at what I'm about doing. If I do it this way, it means this menu will fall under home. If I do this way, it means this will fall under the about. If I do it this way, it means this will fall under this. These two are already under account. So let's check this order. Okay, look at, it's only 3 we have because these are the major ones. If you click on this, you are seeing product under. If you click on this, you are seeing con. That is the essence of this shifting I just did. So I'll take it back to where you can see our site has changed, has been updated, and you can see we no longer have them under each other as it was earlier. So once you are done, you click on publish and you have it arranged as it is. Then these quick links, you can visit more, you can edit this, you can see this. If you click on it, you can see know more about us. You can drop the link about us page. So if I have a page of about us, I will create it, then I will drop the link here. As soon as anybody clicks this link, where is it? There is about us link. I think I removed them. Seems like I've removed them. So if anyone see this link and click on it, they will come directly to this. You can see visitor. Let's see, there's a visitor here. They're supposed to be, but since I've removed them. So that is just the essence of all this. So you can locate store, let's connect, drop your link, how they can connect you, the page of your contacts, and you save. Then menu locations, you can put this primary menu. Here is where this menu appears. If you'd like to change that, pick another location. So you can leave it this way as primary menu, where you get to see all these links into it. So that is it. Going back, once you are done, remember to publish. Publishing is very necessary, or else you work in vain. You can see site links, privacy policy, shipping details, offer coupons, terms and conditions. So if you activate this, they will all going to be showing on your site. So that is it about this. So once you are done, you click publish, go back, And you can see this widget. You can see we don't have, your team has 10 widget areas, but this photography doesn't display them. This particular page doesn't have a widget, so you definitely will not understand the widget aspect. So let's see. I don't know why my network is trying to frustrate my effort. You can see. Okay. Home page settings. You can select the home page. If you want your store to be the home page, you select it. Anybody that click on this link, that visit your website, will definitely locate the store instead of the home page. So that is the essence of this home page setting. Then this post, set it to my blog. If you have a blog, set it there. If you don't have, you just leave it as it is. You make sure you publish, then view them under the device aspect. Then go back. Then I think that's all about customizing your website. So I hope and I believe you put them to practice, and you do whatever I've taught, put them into practice and get your brand standing out. If you don't know how to design logo, how to get premium photos for free, that so that you can use them on your website, remember to visit our channel, our YouTube channel, so that you can get to see more, or you can Google. Google is your friend. Google has all the solution you want. So far you can ask, they will definitely give you an answer or a close answer to what you have. So that is it about customization.